Now the white boats that are on the bottom, see all the white boats? Those will probably be taken down to the beach this year sometime and will be replaced by new boats. The boats that are on the beach will be sold. What's the matter? Yeah, I'm done.
Tarping the boats today, just getting them ready so they don't get weather beat. And yeah, I've been helping them for about 7 years now, and yeah, it's fun. There's always something different, but yeah, it's been good.
So what's next, Dr. Chen, now that these are...
Now I had to go back to warehouse where some people working there. Yeah, Jason is working there cleaning the block system. Never end. Yeah, that's how fun it is with Dragon Ball, right?